In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a custom domain to system.io. Now, this is going to be working for any domain registration company. I'm using right now Hostinger, so I'm going to connect a domain from Hostinger. You can use GoDaddy, Namecheap, Bluehost, Cloudflare. Anywhere you can buy domains from, you can use and get your domain set up. So we're going to go to system.io and I'm going to sign in and I'll meet you on the dashboard. So in fact, here we are. So once you're on the dashboard, you want to go ahead and go to your profile icon, then head over to settings. Once you're inside of the settings, you want to scroll down and you want to see here custom domains on the left. So click on custom domains and by default you'll have one added and that will be your default username.system.io. So here we can go to add domain and what you want to do now is type in your domain name. So I'm going to go to Hostinger and log into my account. So once you're inside of Hostinger, you want to head over to domains, or alternatively, you might see your domains here. I'm just going to go domains and we'll just choose one to connect to system.io. So I'll connect this one here, knowledgebaseonline.com. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that domain. Then we can go to system.io and just type in www. And then just paste in the domain and click save. Okay, so now we've done that and we've entered in our domain name correctly. Should take us to the next step. And now you can see the domain has been created. Now we need to add 2 CNAME records to that domain. Now this is where things are going to differ depending on what domain registration company you use. But in short, you want to go to your domain and click on manage. And you want to head into the back end of your domain. Now in Hostinger, you just want to go to DNS/name servers. And here you can add CNAME records in the manage DNS records section. Now first, what I would recommend you do is scroll down. And you want to see if you have any current CNAME records active. So you can see I've got a current one, which is pointing to Shopify. So I'm going to delete this current one. Now we need to go back to system.io. And the first thing we want to do is copy www. Go to record. We're adding a CNAME record. For the name, you want to paste in here www. And then for the target, you want to paste in all of this here to the right of the first CNAME. So all of this here needs to be copied and we can then paste this in the target, then click add record. And we've now added the first CNAME record. For the second one, you want to copy everything here up to the period. So you can see you've got all of this here, .knowledgebaseonline.com. Copy everything to the left of the full stop or the period. Then go back to Hostinger, go to CNAME. And then for the name, you want to just paste in what you've copied. Then for the target, you want to just paste in everything here. So everything to the right of CNAME. So just all of this here, you want to paste into the target. Now you can click add record and it will then also add that second CNAME record. Once you've done that, you can simply close out of that. And it's going to say here pending validation. Now, if we refresh, it might be working straight away. In this case, it is still pending. Now, I'm just go to this domain and we'll see if it's working. You can see right now this currently is not working, but you have to wait up to 24 to 48 hours for this to work, right? Now, if you don't want to wait to see if you've done this right, what you can do is you can copy your domain, and then if you head over to a website called DNS Checker, and basically just click on any of these, you can then paste in your domain and click search. And if everything here is green, it means you've done everything correct. And you've just got to wait here now 24 to 48 hours and it will get updated on all of the servers and then your domain will be able to work, right? This can be instant sometimes, but most likely it will take up to 24 hours. But that's how you can connect your domain to system.io. If you've got any questions, put them in the comment section below and thank you for watching.